Okay, we made it here to the night market, NorCal night market. It is about 3:20, opens at 3 o'clock, and we got some good parking, so let's go.
Check us out over by Shake Ramen, guys.
Let's go. We're going to Shake Ramen. Oh, look at this wandering waffle. That looks good too. Okay, let's go and choose one. They have okay, that was like a 5-minute wait for our Shake Ramen, and it is our pork belly. Very nice. See, looks just like that one. Did you get the same thing? Yeah. It is super hot. And this right here, folks, it is the lobster line. As you can see, it is super long. It's only like 3:30, and it's already long. You can see the red line. It goes like this, like that. Yeah.
I don't want to pick a fight.
want to try, Ethan? Okay, let's see. Taste test.
What if the
Very good.
just start climbing up this wall?
Drinking once again Thai tea boba and a Thai tea slushy. Oh, look at that. Okay, so we're sitting in the grass area right where the entrance is at pretty much. And let's see what I got. I didn't get too much. Most of the stuff I got, I ate it. But we got the shake ramen, which
Rainbow grilled cheese.
rainbow grilled cheese for Ethan. And I got my, is it still hot? It is kind of hot still. And Ethan's grilled cheese, ready? Ta-da! That's the pepperoni one. Let's get the grilled cheese going. Here you go, Ethan. Wow, look at that. Yum. Ready?
They did cut it.
Oh, they did?
The other side.
Mmm, you good?
I'm gonna sit. I need to sit.
Oh my gosh.
And our huge drink. Is this watermelon? It looks like watermelon.
Is it because my flash is on or something?
Yeah, I think it's watermelon because I see watermelon seeds. I'm going to blow on it.
We're over by the line and you can see people coming non-stop.
I think it's only gonna get busier.
Yep, it is. Let's see what Ethan's gonna pick.
Missing the party, thinking one way and one thing. All this time is crying to warn me, screaming all day, and I've been worried about the world and this money. I woke up just to sleep. Mother told me never be sorry for the way you feel, learn from me.
That's what you got, Ethan. Oh, that's what you got. Are you gonna open it right now? Let's see what it is.
What?
Open it.
I'm gonna open it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want a bag? It's a Pikachu bag.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What did you get? What did you get?
Never throw that. Don't throw that around.
Yeah, throw in the garbage can. Recycle.
To see if missing the party. Thinking my way, but I'll sing. How I needed you in my head. All of my nerves lost feelings. Burn me until I wake up. I'll recover. Keep calling my phone until I answer. Save me from a road of worry. Steer me in the right direction. Traffic in my brain congesting. I need to escape this junction. Save me from a road of worry. Steer me in the right direction. Traffic in my brain congesting. I need to escape this junction.
That's like the smallest exit door, right? Only fit one person, you guys.
Promise I won't be away too long. Promise I'll be back before morning. Promise I